Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today's episode is all about not making the final cut. As movies were edited, a lot of filming was cut out of the movie, either to keep the story, going at a decent pace, or suddenly the director decides he doesn't want the movie going in a certain direction and he wants to change it, so a whole bunch of stuff gets cut out. And this would happen to songs as well. So a lot of times they'd shoot the songs and then decide at the last minute not to include it in the final cut. So for my first share for today, it's a Madan Mohan song. Madan Mohan was one of the few top directors who had actually a lot of his really beautiful songs cut out of the movie. Of course, the music album is a separate thing. That was always released in full with all the songs because they'd record the songs and sometimes they'd shoot them, sometimes not. But this would always be a separate issue and it would do well. It was a huge moneymaker for most producers. So the Madan Mohan movie that I'm talking about is Railway Platform. Came out in the mid-50s. It starred Nalini Jayawant, Sheila Ramani and Sunil Dutt. It was his debut film actually. The movie was about a young man who falls in love with, or he's infatuated with this rich woman who's a princess or some such, and ignores the worthy and beautiful yet poor girl who's very much in love with him. Of course, at some point he realizes his mistake and comes running back to his love and marries her, or whatever, happy ending, etc., etc. The movie was declared a huge flop. Music, a huge hit. It was Madan Mohan teaming up with Sahir Saab, so what's not to like? This song that was cut out of the movie was an absolutely exquisite Lata ji solo. चांद मध्यम है आसमां चुप है. Hakikat, this came out in the mid-60s. Chetan Anand's movie, it was brilliant. It was really a very beautifully made movie. Chetan Anand had put in a lot of effort for this movie. He got special permission from the government of India to shoot the movie at the Indochina border. It was about the Indochina war and, all the miseries that come with these kinds of conflicts between countries. The movie was, like I said, absolutely spectacular. Chetan Anand, you don't expect less. Amazing star cast. It had Balraj Sahani, Dharmendra, Vijay Anand, Agha. Oh my God, it was just like this complete, like star fest. And Priya Rajvansh was the female lead in the movie. Music, of course, Madan Mohan with Kaifi Azmi this time. This was a very popular kind of a pairing, Kaifi with Madan Mohan and with Chetan Anand. The music was, again, outstanding. And the song that got cut out was, again, another Lata ji solo, very, very beautiful, Khelo Na Mere Dil Se.
हे
Chirag. This came out in 1968. It starred Sunil Dutt with Asha Parekh. The movie was a very, very melodramatic movie. The story about a young couple who are having issues with having children. And this causes problems between the daughter-in-law and the mother-in-law, leads to a lot of misunderstandings and all kinds of very, very melodramatic problems. Music was absolutely fantastic. The movie also was actually good. You know, it's a Hindi movie, Saath Khoon Maaf. So what if there's melodrama? The music was Madan Mohan again with Majroo Saab this time. Very, very beautiful songs. Rafi Saab, Lata ji, all of these people in it. Just fantastic songs. And the song that did not make the cut for this movie, it's a Rafi Saab solo this time. Very sad song, but very beautiful. Chirag dil ka jalao, bahut andhera hai.
चिराग दिल का जलाओ बहुत अंधेरा है चिराग दिल का जलाओ बहुत अंधेरा है कहीं से लौट के आओ बहुत अंधेरा चिराग दिल का जलाओ बहुत अंधेरा है कहाँ से लाऊं वो रंगत गई बहारों की कहाँ से लाऊं वो रंगत गई बहारों की तुम्हारे साथ गई नज़ारों की मुझे भी पास बुलाओ बहुत अंधेरा है चिराग दिल का जलाओ बहुत अंधेरा है
Parvana. This was a thriller. Came out in 1971. Naveen Nischal in the lead with Yogita Bali. Amitabh Bachchan in a negative role. It was a significant role, but it was a negative role. He was brilliant in this role. I think, personally speaking, it was one of his best roles in his career. My opinion. I like the movie mainly because of him and the music. The music, Madan Mohan again, with Kaifi Azmi. It's very interesting. The music for this movie, Madan Mohan sounds so R.D. Burman-esque. If you didn't know it was Madan Mohan, you'd be forgiven for thinking most of the songs were R.D. Burman's music. The song that didn't make the cut is a duet, Asha Bhonsle, Rafi Saab, जिस दिन से मैंने तुमको देखा है.
जिस दिन से मैंने तुमको देखा है इस दिल में एक सपना सा जागा है इजाजत हो तो सुना दूं जिस दिन से मैंने तुमको देखा है इस दिल में एक सपना सा जागा है इजाजत हो तो सुना दूं
इस दिल ने जब से तुमको पाया है कुछ चोरी चोरी मैंने भी सोचा है अगर इजाजत हो तो बता दूं अगर इजाजत हो तो बता दूं
है नजाकत है, नजरों में शरारत है, ऐसा भी शर्माना क्या, कह दो कि मोहब्बत है।
कहने की जरूरत क्या, बातों की हकीकत क्या, छलके ना निगाहों से ऐसी भी मोहब्बत क्या। कुछ खोया खोया दिल भी रहता है, कुछ चोरी चोरी मैंने भी सोचा है। अगर इजाजत हो तो बता।
Kashmir Ki Kali. This was Sharmila Tagore's Bollywood film debut. Shami Kapoor was her co-star. Very, very charming movie. It's a rom-com, you know, lots of fun. Filmed, of course, in Kashmir. So very, very beautiful sets, and it was just a delightful movie. Sharmila Tagore was very young. She was, I think, 17 or 18, something like that. Didn't know Hindi very well, or maybe not at all actually. And yet she's so poised and so confident, especially while acting opposite someone as seasoned as Shami Kapoor. It's a delightful movie. If you haven't watched it, please do. Music, outstanding. O.P. Nair, teaming up with S.H. Bihari, who is one of his favorite lyricists. And the songs are just fabulous. The one song that did not make the cut, sadly, it's just like, oh, I wish it had, is an Asha Ji solo, Balma Khuli Hawa Mein.
बलमा खुली हवा में, महकी हुई फिजा में, दिल चाहता है मेरा बहकना इधर उधर। पग पग चलूं बल खाती, खुद भी न जानू कहाँ। पग पग चलूं बल खाती, खुद भी न जानू कहाँ। कहता है ये दिल मतवाला, आज अपना है सारा जहाँ। हो बलमा खुली हवा में, महकी हुई फिजा में, दिल चाहता है मेरा बहकना इधर उधर।
Amrapali, which came out in the early 60s, was a Vaijayantimala Sunil Dutt starer, and Lake Tandon directed the movie. It was the story of a young courtesan who changes the path of history, so to speak, because her love for the very, what shall I call him, opinionated and very strong-minded or almost bloody-minded emperor, Ajatashatru, actually changes his mind and he becomes a Buddhist and, you know, follows the path of ahimsa from that point on. The movie was great. Really, really awesome movie. Very entertaining, beautifully directed, acted, and edited, frankly. It's, you know, very tight. The whole movie, it never slows down or lags in any part. Music, Shankar Jaikishan with Hasrat Jaipuri, Shailendra Ji. This particular song that didn't make the cut is a Lata Ji solo. And it's a philosophical song written by Shailendra Ji. Very, very beautiful. And she has sung it so perfectly. Jao re jogi tum jao re.
जाओ रे जोगी तुम जाओ रे, जाओ रे जोगी तुम जाओ रे, ये है प्रेमियों की नगरी, यहाँ प्रेम ही है पूजा। जाओ रे जोगी तुम जाओ रे,
That's it for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love your feedback and suggestions for future episodes. And as always, I would love it if you would go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, and like the episode, and spread the word amongst your friends and family. I'll be back in a couple of weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.